Good evening to everybody. Hello, hello. Can you hear me? Hello, 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 hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. Today onwards, very important concept. Most powerful subqueries we are starting. But before we are going to start subqueries, and now here I want to drop constraints. I'm telling. How can I drop constraint? Means two ways. One is constraint name through we are dropping. Another one is primary key means without constraint name also working. Now here, check it out. Slowly observe it here. Suppose this is a table is there. Don't write it. Just test is a table is there. Don't write it. Very important. This is a test is a table. Create a table. Test is a table. In this test table, S number is a column. Primary key is available. For example, in a project side, primary space key is there. Now this primary key I want to drop. How can I just alter? Second method is a better option. Why? Because so many columns are available. Also primary key means only one primary key is available. That's why without constraint name, without data dictionary knowledge, we are dropping a constraint. How can I alter table? What is the table name? Test only. Drop primary key is a better option. Very easy. No? And now here second method is a better option in this case. Okay. Yeah. Table is altered. Write it this one. Example 1. Example 1, write it. Dropping a primary key like this. Table is created. You have to drop it like this. Complete. Finished. Now check it out. Concentrate here. In a previous class, anybody observing or not? Yes, here X1 is a table I'm creating. Okay, na? X1 is a table I'm creating. And in that one, primary key is there maybe. Again, X2 is a table, is a foreign key related to primary keys available. You are observing or not in that class. Now, individual table primary key means we are dropping alter table name, drop primary key, not a problem. But unfortunately, observe it here in a previous class knowledge based only. In a previous class, X1 is a table is there. Slowly observe here. This is very interesting, very important only in a database. X1 is a table is there. S number is a what column is available. S number is a what a column is available. Whenever this S number is a column is available here, this is a primary key. This is a primary key. Okay, fine. X1 table. S number is a what primary key. Again, another table is there. Okay, this one primary key we are dropping means okay, but unfortunately, this table is related to where another table in a previous class you are observing or not. Maybe you remember? Yes. Here, X2 is a what a table is available. In this table, S number is a column is there. This S number column is a foreign key. Observe it here. This is a foreign key is available. This foreign key you are observing or not in that class, this is a foreign key. Now here, yes, this is a foreign key is there, foreign key only. In this foreign key here, on our references to the where, primary key in a where in this table. This is the way it will be there. Now I try to drop this primary key. How can I? That is a question mark. Whenever foreign key is reference to this primary key, we cannot drop this primary key directly. Now there is a problem. Individual primary key means not a problem. This primary key is a reference to the where foreign key means problem. It won't work. Now check it out. Screen observe it. So now observe it here. I try to, this is a what? X1 is a table, is there or not? In that X1 table, alter table, table name X1, drop primary key. I am writing, it won't work because my X1 table referenced with the what? Another foreign key. But how can I drop that primary key? First, we are using a what? Simple technique. First, to go to that X2 table. That table foreign key, we have to drop it. Then only we are allowed to drop that reference to the primary key, possible or not? Yes. Otherwise, some other technique is there. I don't want like this. I want to drop a what? Primary key along with a reference to the foreign key, means cascade is a clause is there, not on delete cascade. This is a cascade is a clause. Cascade is a clause we are using, means automatically reference to foreign key, it will be dropping. Now really that is correct. Now check it out here, alter table, table name X1 primary key. Here cascade we are using, means automatically that primary and related foreign keys are dropped. Very, very, very important. Generally, we cannot drop primary key with a reference with the foreign key only. But so now here, yes, if you are using a cascade as a clause, then automatically primary key along with the reference to the foreign key automatically dropping. That is most powerful concept only. Write it. Next para. So now the example 2, write it. Example 2. X1 table already on it. Yeah, example 2, write it like this. This error, write it. Previous class X1, X2 tables are there. No? Yeah. Okay, and now write it some theory. Every database same thing, write it. In Oracle, if you want to drop primary key, along with referenced